Hello, my friends. What a month it has been, right? Am I right? I know it's just been crazy. It's been so busy and so fun. And how did the months go so fast? I just don't understand it. Well, you know what? I'm a little concerned you might have missed one or two items that we released because we release a lot. I do understand. And our release days, if you don't have it marked in your calendar, are the 1st, the 7th, the 15th, the 20th, and the 25th of every single month. So I thought I should show you a little bit of what we released this month. We started out with our piece of cake for our Stampin' Die Hard set. And let me tell you, I know how much you guys have fallen in love with it. It has been so incredibly popular. It's like hard to keep it in stock, but look at how fun it is on that sprinkles background. So adorable. It was kind of like a birthday month because we also released a happy birthday card front. Love it. Card fronts are so easy peasy to make a card. Boom, you die cut it, you're halfway done. I absolutely love it. And we had that fun party hat stencil set that you literally can just change by adding different colors. I absolutely love it. Here's another fun one. Look at those candles. I absolutely love it. This is using our hanging dots stencil. Love it. Oh, and then our candle slimline. Love it. And it's a shaker. This one's a shaker. You know I love my shakers. Then we kind of went from happy birthday to stars and stripes, right? So we had our Reach for the Stars die set. Love it because you can use it for so many different things. We also had our release, our debut of the Slimline Tri Background dies. Guess what, my friends? Yes, there will be more of these. Let me tell you, I have designed 10 to 12, I'm not quite sure. Tons, let me tell you. And I'm so excited about these. And the basic one is coming ASAP, but look at how fun they are. Remember, you'll get to mix and match these just like the A2 Tri Background dies. So fun. Then, because we're still talking about the stars and stripes, we released a blue felt family pack. 7 colors of blue, 1 of each sheet. So now you can have an array of colors. So fun. And we released blue epoxy dots, starting with our glitter one. You know I love my glitter. Then, speaking of glitter, 6 different colors of exclusive to us for now, Crafter's Companion glitter paste. Let me tell you, if I had to pick my favorite color, oh, I don't know if I could. The red, white, and blue, I think is kind of going to be my top. It is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Then, speaking of Crafter's Companion, we released 4 sets of the Aqua Tri-Color pens. Now, when it says there are 3 pens in there, yeah, technically that's true, but it really means 9 colors in each set. So 9 times 4, what is that, like 36? That's amazing. That's a lot of colors. So gorgeous and so much fun. Love them. Now, moving on, we released a brand new card base, and yes, there are more coming. I know a lot of you have already asked. Yes, we will have more of the crisscross dies, but look at how fun this is. It looks like that, folds flat for mailing, but look at how fun it is. Also great for using up the pattern paper that maybe that it's not your favorite, but there's so many layering pieces on here. Use it up, and look how cute that is. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. We also, I told you it was a big month. We also released our party vertical panels. Perfect for bookmarks, for the gatefold card, or to make gorgeous, look at this. It's literally, you can see through it. Isn't that awesome? Party. I love that. That's just on an A2 size card. So many different options. I think I counted 7 different ways to use this die set. Go watch that video because there's a ton. Then, for the first time ever, we released some rosette dies. Now, don't forget, this 3-pack has different edges, and you can make this rosette smaller just by trimming off the straight edge at the bottom. But look how fun they are. Now, taking me back to my childhood, back when I used to make little thank you notes for my aunt and my grandma in Montana. This is a built-in envelope. We call it the A2 fold over, but look at how fun this is. You can open it up, and it does come with the words, "You are amazing, my friend," and the flowers. Gorgeous. Oh, and the flower border here. So much fun. Last but not least, we did some catch-up day because we had our watermelon ink pad. If you missed out on that on the first time out, We also released our Sunglass Slimline Fold It. I know a lot of you missed out on this kit that it was in back in the day. It was quite a while ago. Now is your chance to get that item. It's so much fun, and yes, you can make it a shaker. We also released from other kits that are finally now allowed to be released, the Watermelon Fold It, which is so fun. Also comes with that ice popsicle and the word summer die. Then we have our mini sun, which fits in our 4x4 envelope, which is so adorable. Comes with mini suns as well. And our iced drink, which is really fun because to me it reminds me of like an icy or a Slurpee or something like that. It could also be an iced coffee if you want it to be. So many options on this one, and it comes with little mini versions as well. And the heart is separate. You don't have to use the heart in the center if you don't want to. Whoa, I'm sure I missed one or two things, but you know what, my friends? If you're a club member, the good news is you get 15 to 20% off our entire website, including all of the items I just showed you. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club. Just watch that video because you know what? I have a feeling you might want to subscribe to 1 or 2 or 3 clubs. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.